Alright guys, so we waited on the bus. Yeah, and that's the bus coming. Here comes the bus. Yes, first time going on this bus.
This is 58.
This first time in everything.
You also can use it on train too. Whenever you want to go on train,
Yeah, I want to experience that.
Yeah.
Yeah. So how much money? How much money you need?
$20.
$20?
Yeah. But $4 for it. Just like $24.
24?
Yeah. If you have $5, 2 10, $5. 10 is 20.
Oh.
So you have $5.
Yeah, I'm new
So
here.
you're gonna get $1, right?
B.
Rogers, Fido, right?
Yeah. Yeah, inside pool. Yeah.
You don't know the Sarah Living Card with Eva because it's next media. Good luck.
Good morning guys. So today we're taking a walk on the road. Yeah. So you don't know you go already. Walk up on the road, you see it? Yeah. So you can stick around to the video if you want to see how Canada look as a Jamaica yard man. They are tour place. Remember to like, share and subscribe.
You been on the road?
Sorry? No, I'm
Oh, okay.
There it is.
This her father plant at the back.
Okay.
He teach me to plant.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he always told me about plants,
Yeah.
flowers, stuff like that.
Yeah. So what do you call this community?
Huh?
What is this community name? Brampton?
Branton.
Okay.
This lane is Trevino request.
Oh,
Right.
Trevino Crest.
Yeah.
And we walk into the bus stop right now, people. No, we walk into the bus stop.
So
Westbrook Avenue. Yeah.
there's a sign say Trevino request on Westbrook Avenue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
When the sign go this way, this lane is Trevino request.
See sign right, that's a people.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the way we're going? Yeah guys, so welcome back to the vlog. So we're taking a walking tour.
This is the walk inside.
Walk inside.
Yeah, so instead of walking on the road.
Yeah, we'll just walk into the bus stop. So you can stick around to this video.
Yeah.
Like, share and subscribe. What does this mean? What that sign here mean? You're not sure?
I'm not.
You're not sure? Maybe it's a driving sign.
This is White House Lane request right here.
Yeah.
white was going that way.
Okay.
That is the bus stop sign. But that bus stop sign comes. That bus come during the week, but they don't run on weekend.
Okay.
So that's why I'm walking all the way down there to take a next bus.
Okay.
Going that way.
Westbrook. Yeah, people, place chilly. That's how they turn on the AC. The place chilly and nice.
So this is the bus stop. That is where the bus stop. This is number 36 stop here. Going that way.
Oh, right there, right there. This is the bus stop.
Yeah, this is the bus stop, but I'm walking all the way down there.
Oh, see sign here. Bus stop.
But this bus don't run on weekend.
Okay.
They only run on the week, like Monday to Friday.
Yeah, you say today is holiday.
Yeah. Weekend is holiday.
Okay.
But sanctuary holidays like Thanksgiving, Family Day, and Canada Day.
Canada Day, yeah.
Those are sanctuary holidays.
Okay.
So I'm gonna walk that way. So you're gonna cross the road. There's park and school.
Over there is a park?
Yeah, those are park.
Okay.
They can sit down under the tent.
Yeah.
Washroom right there.
Oh, and this is the cross.
Yeah. You treat yourself. Whenever you don't see the sign, you treat yourself to cross. Just like Jamaica, but it's not everywhere.
Okay. Oh, they don't know.
Here in Canada, you have to treat yourself whenever you don't see anything.
Yeah. One thing people, vehicle and pretty up here. That man, vehicle and pretty. Be a top vehicle.
So I didn't go to Caribana today, but they are going on now. But we were tired. We went to bed too late.
Yes.
So basically, if you wanna go there, you have to wake up early.
Early, yeah. Yeah, today is Caravana Day in Canada. Today is the 2nd of August. Yesterday was holiday in Jamaica. The sun is very hot. Yeah, it's sun hot today. See what I'm telling people? Be a nice cars. Yeah, be a nice vehicle.
This is Canada.
But like, you're smart, though. You're not telling nothing. But like, you're smart, man.
That's why when I ask a question, I say, don't question me. This is that's how
I thought the people stay over here them fast. Oh, so this is the bus stop now.
Yeah, this is the bus stop.
So we finally made it to the bus stop.
Back here.
Yeah.
I'm going that way. That side is southbound, and that side northbound.
Alright guys, so we waited on the bus. Yeah, and that's the bus coming. Here comes the bus. Yes. First time going on this bus.
This is 58.
This first time in everything.
Hi.
Good morning.
So you're gonna put the bag down in here?
I'm not gonna put the $5 there. Okay.
There's one.
Thank you, sir.
Stop requested. So I'm done the after.
So this is the time it's like 2:35 p.m. So after 2 hours,
So we driving on the bus until 2:25. So, yeah, so we allowed to drive until 2:35. Ah.
you can keep putting right here whenever you come here and everybody will show that.
Stop requested.
Oh, so she's saying they have two doors. Yeah, one to exit and one to enter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is Brampton Transit.
Brampton Transit?
Yeah.
Okay.
We in Brampton City, so that is the bus.
Okay. Look good. So, what bicycle are upon it? Somebody in a bus bicycle? What bicycle are upon it?
Yeah, somebody in the bus bicycle.
Okay.
Once you have bicycle, that
You can just put it right there. Okay, mad. Explain this to me. What is this? Bicycle lane or what?
Yeah, bicycle lane. That's where they cross.
The bicycle boy. Oh.
Yeah. See there?
Yeah.
They allow bicycle.
Yeah. To cross right there.
Once you press here, and then you can go same time. Bicycle.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
As you said, green, you can go.
Okay.
But you have to make sure that you
It's
press.
in green. Come to the man and drive hard over here.
Hello?
Man, then speed it, man. See the bro with that highway and the people. Yeah, man, with that highway.
hours.
Yeah. Oh, so they'll show them this again. Alright?
Yeah, they know like hours.
Yeah. Going on the bus. Yeah.
So if I even fly past, the same.
Same thing.
Yeah.
See there, people? Once you have this card and you pay for it once, you can use it until the time expired.
You sure like
Respect. Burger King. Yeah. Burger King, yeah. So we're there in the town, you see it, people? Brampton. Now we are past the car mart them too. You see that? Chevrolet. Starbucks, okay. Yeah, I know, so they're Jamaica too. Starbucks. Right over there. And if you're wondering what we're on a bus. It's not a train, it's a bus. Yeah, public bus. Bromley.
And that is free box. That is where when time you want to square. Then you have free box in the train.
So that big building is Remax. So when people want to look at a house, you go there. That's on the agency help you to get a house. So we are coming for them bus here now. Up in the town, is it? It's number 1. Nice. So what are you doing right there? Yeah, tour me. So this is the bus station?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bus.
You said, because you're supposed to one.
Yeah?
You want this?
There's no.
Oh, that is the restroom.
Restroom.
And that's security office.
Alright, so this is actually a route map.
And these are the schedule for the bus.
Okay.
Real-time bus information. Right, so you can connect on your phone, like a laptop, and you can download Transit on your phone. This is the bus Transit. I show you all the bus route, right? So I am at, she show you, I am at the terminal.
Yeah.
So I will be taking this bus, but it's coming 28 minutes, right?
What do you
Transit. Transit, T-R-A-N
T-R-A-N S-I-T
I-T T.
Transit. That's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know. So once you wanna take bus, I show you where you wanna go, and then these are the bus route. And then 36 bring you to your Miles terminal, which is your gate terminal.
Okay.
We can take you over there too as well. So this is 115, bring you straight to the airport where we come from last night.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you come in 27 minutes. It show you that you come in
See there?
southbound.
This is so cool.
Yeah, we just took this just now. So we are at the station. So we're gonna take 5055115.
Yeah.
Right. We're gonna take this bus.
Oh, that bus.
So yeah, that bus going
Uber.
southbound.
Oh, them ask about Uber.
Yeah, you also can download.
Yeah, but I don't need Uber.
But you have to have your card.
Yeah, so that can go and stay for now.
They can download it just in case when you have it.
Yeah, me can
when
have
they
it.
get their card, they can come.
Alright, download it for now then.
But they will charge $60 for the first time.
Okay.
I don't know if you still can get it.
How much do I charge?
Depends on how much you want to put on it. You can put $20 on it.
Which card?
Huh?
To use the bus?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because press the card is cheaper than the cash.
Alright, that better then, man. That better. Yeah. So simple. She's saying when you take the bus, it's best to have your card, because it's cheaper than paying with a cash.
Oh, hi.
Good morning.
How much is for a press the card? $4? Oh, $4.
$4?
I would like to tap $20 on it. So it's $24. You also can use it on train too. Whenever you want to go on train,
Yeah, I wanna experience that.
Yeah.
So how much money you need?
Put $20.
$20?
Yeah. But $4 for it. Just like $24.
24?
Yeah. If you have $5, 210, $5. 10 is 20.
Oh.
So you have $5.
Yeah. I'm new
So
here.
you're gonna get $1, right?
Alright.
Your change back is
Yeah, I'm new here. But the place nice, man. And nice. So she tour me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you're gonna get about $1 change.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Okay.
Hello guys. Oh, this high price cost.
Yeah, so fare type cash fare is $4. You have contractless credit card is $4. Adult $310.
Yeah.
First stock weekly pass is $34. First stock monthly pass is $128, which is monthly pass serve you for the month,
okay,
right?
Nice.
So you now age 13 and 19 years old is first stock e-purse is $2. Oh, thank you.
So this is the change?
You can also apply for this. Usually 1 month is $141, but if he gets approved, you can pay $70 a month.
Okay.
You get 70% off?
50% off.
50% off, okay.
Usually it's 141.
Oh, monthly pass, okay.
Monthly pass is usually 141.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if he gets approved for the discount, then he pays 50%.
Oh,
Sounds good.
okay. Yeah, sound good. Thank you.
Yeah. Let me see what we have here.
So you
Show me. This is what?
This is Presto. So you can download an app too.
Presto.
If
Alright.
you don't want to come in person, you can also pay by app.
Yeah, download
So
it.
this is the app. If app name is Presto, now
Presto.
you just search Presto, Presto.
Yeah, Presto.
Yeah.
This is $1. So this is $1 Canadian. Yes, $1.
This is the receipt. So this is the Presto. You're gonna put in a copy. You still gonna do the transfer. It's not expired yet.
Okay.
So
Oh, this is what I use at the bus.
yeah.
This. Yeah. Hush.
So I'm still waiting on the bus.
Alright, so baby's saying that's a board road.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can check
Show
that.
you what time the bus coming. So it's 1:16.
No, it's 116.
So that bus coming 1:35. That is the real time.
Yeah, I that me realize, guys, you can rely upon the timing over here.
You will see whenever you tap on it, you tap $20. This is what in your Presto right now.
$20.
And you pay for the Presto for $4, right? That's the Presto only, the card only for $4. The amount of money you put in here is $20.
Okay.
So you also can check your Presto whenever you want to know how much money. You also can tap.
Yeah, we're outside again. We come out of the AC and gone in one different AC again, is it? Yeah, man, we come out of the AC and we're in one different AC, you know. Yeah. Man, out here, no. Alright, I'm telling you something, people. Canada, cold, yes, but no really cold. But the place still feel chilly. You get what I say, people? Yeah, man, it's a good look so far. Over there, you have Fresco. Alright, so the
I'm
card.
gonna check how much money inside here now. You see? Well, hey.
Yeah, I'm gonna check. How you tap it?
You're gonna check it right here.
Oh, you just tap right here?
Tap it right here. So you have $20.
Okay.
Balance card is $20 you have in here.
Okay.
It doesn't charge you nothing, right?
Okay.
It just show you how much money you have.
You have in it. Okay.
Right, so whenever you wanna go and go, this is Go Fair bus. The green bus, Go Fair, right? You also can.
You can put the coins though.
Yeah, your coins, your paper, see, buy
Are your-
ticket,
are your bank
go
card?
transit. You also can buy ticket, Union, Person Express, press the card. You also can put money inside the, you can Whenever you don't have any money in your card, you also can use this machine to tap it up instead of going inside.
Inside, okay. That's convenient.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what you call convenient.
So the bus is not here. So we have to wait.
We have to wait. Yes.
So,
Hello,
okay.
good morning.
First,
From Medina.
card. Where's the card?
I like this.
Where's the paper?
Oh, the paper?
It's not expired. No.
Yeah, so me do with this.
Where's the paper?
Oh, the little paper. Alright.
I still have transfer in my
Oh,
card.
I forgot.
When I told it's not 2 hours and there. So it's 1:30.
Alright, I see Magic School bus there.
Next stop, not applicable. Stop requested. Estimated arrival at Grammarly Terminal in 28 minutes.
Yeah guys, so we're now going to the mall. Best Buy and then big place. Yeah. It's expensive.
Yeah, it's when you can tap over here. So that's there.
Alright.
So that was can bring it to Toronto.
Oh, the Go bus bring it to Toronto.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's Zoom bus over there bring it to Granton Terminal.
Yeah. Yeah, people, so check out the mall, you know. That's it. Yeah, we are in we're in Ontario, no? We're in Ontario. How you pronounce? Where are we now? Mississauga. Okay, Mississauga. And that's in Toronto. Toronto is the capital, the city. The city, yeah.
Mississauga is the city.
Okay.
It's a big city.
It's a big city, yeah. I need a power bank. I need a power bank.
Go back.
A power bank.
I have power.
You have a power bank?
Yeah, but it's not gonna fit your phone. What kind of phone you have?
This more whatever. Yeah,
Yeah,
it keep on a dead.
Yeah, I have it. I have it in my bag.
Get a charge. Get a charge, man. Come up right now. Thanks.
I forgot charger when we go over.
Yeah.
Because it was in my bag every day, but I didn't get it charged. Oh, I'm going downstairs.
Oh, where is this? Oh, so this is the elevator thing? What are we?
Sorry.
Oh, this is the subway. Subway.
Center. Going downstairs.
Okay.
Go in the mall.
Alright. Oh man.
You can take the elevator to go up too as well.
Okay.
But this, they have. Also, there's washroom. If you want to use the washroom, there's washroom.
Yeah, I wanna use it.
You want to use it? Oh. Bar that those are restaurant and they have bar inside there. But I was thinking you can go there on a birthday.
Yeah, we don't have to go there so then. Can go somewhere more simple now.
Yeah, they're inside in the mall.
Alright.
So I was like, you can walk around the mall. The mall is very big, you know.
I didn't realize it have everything.
Yeah, Walmart inside there.
Okay.
You can look in Walmart.
Yeah, see if me get the battery.
Huh?
See if they have the charger.
And the Best Buy, you said you want to go to Best Buy?
Yeah, more go Best Buy. Yeah.
There.
Follow. This is, huh?
Entrance 7.
Okay.
This is entrance 7, so you're gonna go in.
Yeah, guys, welcome to the mall.
You also can search Google Maps.
Oh, got to it big.
Yes.
Oh,
Plenty of people always using Maps.
okay.
Fine.
Where to find certain places?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're going. Want to try?
You wanna try?
Yeah. You ever tried before? Or
Yeah,
what else
tried.
over here? McDonald's over here?
Huh?
McDonald's over here? Too?
No.
What else over here? What else over here?
Oh, okay. You're gonna go to food court.
Alright.
The food court is downstairs. Let's go to food court first.
Alright. Old Navy.
Rogers. Fido. Right.
Yeah.
Old Navy.
Yeah, Old Navy. Studio Dental over there, so. Natural wellness.
I can smell the scent.
Yeah.
There's Shepherd Mark.
Where?
Shepherd Mark.
Okay. That's downstairs.
The food court is all the way down here. I'll go downstairs.
The food court is all the way downstairs. Yeah, 'cause I want to eat something first thing.
Apple store inside
Eh,
here.
where?
Apple store.
Where? I want to leave for something there, man.
Apple store, big apple.
I saw this mall is big. This mall of everything. So this is Old Navy. Old Navy. Yeah. Wait, B. Oh, the place big. Whoa.
If you go to your cave, that's very big mall. This one is the biggest mall.
The biggest mall in Toronto?
And this one
Yeah. Mississauga. Alright. Mississauga.
So I'm going downstairs.
Alright. Wait. You nearly dropped?
Of course I do.
Osh.
Oh my god.
Osh.
Urban Planet, that's where I buy the clothes all the time.
Okay.
I'm supposed to go back, but I was thinking about outfit. All the way down there.
And they sell smoothie.
Yes.
Alright.
That is hot dog, sausage hot dog.
Yeah.
Not hot dog, prison.
Okay. And here's a smell nice one. Oh, right here is what? One boot wireless. Here, this is one boot wireless.
Yeah.
Phone and sell.
Yeah, one and simple.
Alright.
Freedom.
Is the next phone company that?
Yes.
Okay.
Best Buy.
Best Buy Mobile.
Best Buy.
Best Buy Mobile, yeah.
They can go in there to see.
Yeah. Hello. Yeah, I'm just looking around.
Oh, this is not the phone place. Best Buy. You have Best Buy.
Yeah, camera equipment. Express.
Best Buy Plus? Okay. You have to go to an edge one. This
Okay.
is mobile.
Okay.
There's cell phone and stuff. So you want to go to food court and
Food
then
court.
walk around.
Yeah. Yeah, may vlog. Oh, internet is here. It's I forgot,
You can connect one first.
Forgot.
Probably.
Which one? Thank you. Wow.
So you're gonna accept it.
Oh, this.
And then accept.
Continue?
Yeah, continue. Yes. Oh, you have to add your email.
Yeah, put in an email first.
Yeah, whenever you can use your email.
Oh, this is a whole heap of food.
The real food over there.
Real food?
Real food.
Oh.
Real food over tea.
Okay. Sushi. Yeah, me hear about sushi. Yeah, foreign something I think that Chinese. Yeah. Sushi. No.
It tastes good though.
It tastes good?
Yeah, I had it.
Eh.
But then, yeah.
Sushi. Yeah, me hear, I'm not sure how much I hear people talk about sushi. On them I should try, man. On them I should try. You think I should try? Explain when that's in birthday or so. Yeah. Oh, this is a natural juice?
Yeah, natural juice.
Oh.
Real food. See that they blend banana, then some strawberry, watermelon, pineapple.
Yeah. I want to try one of these.
You wanna try?
Yeah.
You gotta catch up in 2 minutes.
Okay.
So you're gonna get small.
Yeah. It don't matter.
So which one are you gonna order? You also can self-order, right?
You can self-order. I like the papaya. I'm more
Papaya?
something there. What you name? Carrot.
Carrot?
Yeah.
That is tea.
That is tea?
Yeah, tea.
Oh, the carrot can go in there.
I don't know if they have carrot, but they make the other tea.
Oh, so what's the option? Yeah, give me the option.
Depends. Fresh cut juice.
Yeah.
Fresh cut juice, carrot juice.
Yeah, carrot juice.
Apple juice, orange juice. That is the fresh cut juice.
Yeah.
So which one you want?
Give me the carrot juice.
Fresh cut?
Yeah.
It's not smoothie now. It's fresh juice.
Oh, so it's fresh. It's not gonna have the taste. Not gonna have the
It
taste.
don't have taste, but it's like a tea. When
what's
you say
better?
like a tea, which means like, you know, you make carrot juice. Yes.
More natural juice, natural juice. What's better?
This one better. If a smoothie one, you have to add that's it.
Yeah, that's it. You're not order one for yourself though.
Oh, it's already there. So next, wait. The side.
Yeah guys, so we did I try to get the drink a while ago, but they don't take card. I will never have any card. Only cash.
They have Chipotle, French pizza burger, Chipotle. Your Chipotle over there.
Okay. Yeah.
This Onboard.
Come like you're confused though. You don't know which one.
I was telling you the name.
You don't know which one. Cause try too much.
I want to go to Chipotle.
Alright.
But I was telling you all the restaurant here.
Okay.
These are
Eastern food. Okay. They should have a Jamaica one in here too. This is the line? Oh. Sorry. Sure, sure.
What flavor you want more sauce?
Yes.
What flavor you like? This ketchup. I want to go to super.
The Chick-fil-A's.
You order spice, right?
Yeah. But my one of pickles. What?
No, this one is nice. That one. This is no pickle. This is pickle. Tastes good?
Oh, I'm gonna try it. This?
Yeah, chicken. No, this one.
Fries nice. Fries nice at first.
Nice?
My fries nice. It's good? Nice, huh?
I just want to try something here.
Yeah.
I thought it tastes different from McDonald's or Burger King.
Where? Chick-fil-A?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is. I give it 10 out of 10. Burger nice. Nice, nice, nice. I will turn on the AC to play a school. Oh, go on. Okay. Yeah. Me say I will turn on the AC. Or you play so cold. See? Yeah, inside cool. Yeah. You alright? You alright? The belly full? Straight away? Yeah, it's charge it, man.
I don't think Best Buy will have it. They cannot take the wireless.
I think they have it, man. Cause they normally sell the camera stuff.
It's for the camera?
Yeah. Remember, you see me go to your friend party. Remember?
I think it was too expensive, but this they can work.
I check still.
Yes, but depends. I suppose to go straight.
Yeah, people, so place busy. Eh? Best Buy right here?
This is Best Buy Express.
Okay. Alright, so we're at Best Buy right now. Yeah guys, so we still at the mall, see you, yeah? I show you how I go on. So the mall big. In here? It's reasonable? So the mall big. Yeah, the video long. So now we're going into a supermarket named Shoppers Jokes Mart. Let's go.
Exit only over there.
We come the wrong way. Look like around here, so. Yeah. I'll show you.
Solo siya ka na, 7.
Oh, these sell jerseys. Alright. Now this is the phone store you're talking about, the phone place.
Better? Yeah.
And this is GameStop. Oh, you want to find a place? Oh, this is GameStop, people. Yeah, let's hear about this place. Everything game selling here, so. Yeah, man. One GameStop. Both there. Alright, so to the plaza big. You can search. The mall big, so you can search. If you want to find a specific store, you can search it. So that's where we're right now. Tell you where to find an Apple store.
Oh, I am close there. So it's closed.
It's upstairs.
No, downstairs.
Downstairs?
Upstairs?
Yeah. You know where the Apple store is? You know where the Apple store is? Upstairs?
Upstairs, yeah.
Where's the washroom? Go here. But Alisa would have loved in here. Tell you. Lisa, what company is that? What's that? A mobile company? Mobile company? Oh.
Jewelry?
Oh, this is an earring store then. Earring this earring and chain.
Yeah. I'm gonna show the wireless plus that they have all the cases and say there's other foods, real foods.
Okay. Yeah, people mall active. Hot. That's it. Hot mall. What 25? Basically everything. And that's $25 for everything. I feel. Oh, c'est Walmart done ça. Walmart done ça. Wireless Plus, yeah.
That's where they can get the cheapest price of the case.
The case and the screen protector. Yeah.
They give it 27% off. But I don't know if they have it. They're still.
No, but photo studio in it, sir.
Huh?
Photo studio.
Yeah.
Yeah, photo studio. You can take pictures. Hello.
Can I see your camera?
Yeah, it's up. Welcome to Walmart. Okay. Right, there's a smell nice though. Right, there's a smell nice like coffee. Yeah, I smell coffee.
It's not full here yet.
So Drake is from Canada. Drake hometown, yeah, man. OVO unruly. Next me there in them town. You see it, fully outside. This is such a long vlog. But I'm doing this vlog for you guys. So, I know me alone experience beautiful Canada. Yeah, you guys are experiencing it too. This is what, Nike?
That's nice.
Wow. We pass here, sir? No, we never pass here, sir, yet.
That is Colombia.
That means that we are going the wrong side. Ask somebody then. Levis, Mr. Levis. Right, that's so you're there. Are you in here, sir? Yeah. In the pocket, man. Welcome. So we are inside of the Apple Store. Even in the Apple Store, you can feel out the iPhone them. You can touch them up. You can play with them. You see, it's in here is very full up. One apple. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Simon's like,
Welcome back to my channel.
That's just not working, so you have to Who's that?
If somebody mock me, they say them mock me. They're mocking me. They're making fun of me. I don't know them. Yeah, guys, big up on yourself, you know, man. Everybody will watch the video and tune in. Yeah, next me there. Tell a friend about the channel, you know. Like we're gonna wrap it up now, still, is it? Yeah, man. And we are gonna look to get a bus to go in now. And show now I'm going for the bus station.
Now, the Zoom bus over there. So basically, you have to cross the road. Okay.
Yeah, if I find a Zoom bus. This is Canada.
Super holiday. There's the bus there. I'm gonna take that Zoom bus going